If your veterinarian tells you that your pet has large lymph nodes, it can be scary and overwhelming. Most of us don't think about lymph nodes unless there's a problem. So what are they? Lymph nodes are an immune system gland that enlarges in response to infection. Pretty simple. Where are they around the body? So in dogs, you can find them underneath their jaw, in front of their front legs, in the armpit region, in their groin, in front of their back legs, and also right behind their knees. There are lymph nodes throughout the entire belly, but you can't see those. You have to do advanced imaging like a belly ultrasound or a CT scan to see those. So why would you see a lymph node that is enlarged? It can happen when the body is mounting a response to something. Lymph nodes contain lymphocytes. They are part of the immune system. They're a cell that works to identify and then fight infection. The types of infection that we can see these getting enlarged with in dogs include tick-borne illness, so Lyme disease, bacterial diseases, so think about a wound on your dog's leg that is causing a lot of inflammation, swelling, and is infected. A lot of bacteria are there. The lymph node that's in their armpit region will likely swell because the body is fighting off that infection, and so those cells are replicating and that lymph node is going to swell up. Viruses can also result in swelling of these lymph nodes, and sometimes just inflammation in and of itself. So on belly ultrasounds, we'll frequently see dogs that have a lot of inflammation in their intestines from something they ate, and the lymph nodes around that area can be larger. The one reason that lymph nodes can be enlarged that is worse than all of those other reasons is cancer. The way to find out if a lymph node is enlarged due to cancer is to have your veterinarian sample that, and that's either with a needle, so a little aspirate where they just take some cells and look at that under a slide, a microscope, or a biopsy, a larger sample to get a larger tissue size if the cytology, the initial sample, wasn't big enough. So if your veterinarian mentions your dog's lymph nodes or your cat's lymph nodes, definitely ask them which ones are enlarged, get a feel of them yourself so you can monitor that at home. It may just be a symptom that they have an infection going on and their body's doing its job and fighting it off, but it could be something worse.